Hi, I'd like to take you now on a brief tour of my web resource that I created for the Oakwood Intermediate School. Um, it's located at oakwoodtechnology.weebly.com. This is the introduction page you see when you first access the site. This is a table of contents just to make it extra easy to navigate. Of course, you can use the drop down boxes to navigate as well, but each of these is clickable to take you to the page you want to go to. So I just added that extra feature to make it more easily navigable. Um, Here is the Technology at Oakwood section. It begins with just a brief overview of all the different resources they have available at Oakwood. Smart boards, document cameras, Red Cat systems, webcams, clickers, iPads and iPod touches. It's a pretty well equipped school. But as I stated in my presentation, a lot of the teachers there do not use all of the resources they have at their disposal, which is the purpose of the website. So this is the teacher collaboration page. If you click here, it takes you to the Widgio page where they actually will use to collaborate. And here's some screenshots I made just to introduce them to Widgio and how it's used. Each teacher that wants to join will, of course, have an email invite, and they'll sign up individually for the Widgio collaboration site. This is the part I wish was better. The technology training opportunities. Right now there's only one event on here because that's all the information I could get from the district as far as training opportunities, technology specific training opportunities that'll be offered this summer. Hopefully I will be able to add more as I get more, but obviously as of right now there's only one on there. The next section is apps for the classroom. As I showed you earlier, there's a lot of iPads and iPod touches on campus. The campus also has a bring your own device policy, so obviously apps will come into play there. I wanted to break this up as much as possible and highlight some useful apps that I wanted them to be aware of. I also have a finding apps section of this web resource to give them some ideas of how to go about finding new apps. We got apps that will help them find apps, as well as some useful app blogs and app reviews and just app aggregation sites. So this is how I've tried to lay out every section of this website, where you'll have a picture that is also a link to whatever I'm talking about, as well as a brief description to the side of it. Hopefully to make it as easy as possible. So the apps section is broken up into augmented reality apps, communication and collaboration apps, video editing apps, mind mapping apps, classroom management apps, and then subject specific maps for all the core subjects. So after the apps section is the web resources section. Some of these have apps that go with them, but mainly they're websites that offer unique tools that the teachers can use. Again, kind of broken up into different categories. I have communication and collaboration web resources, Edmodo and Remind 101. Instructional archives. Oakwood Intermediate subscribes to both Kia and Safari Montage, and so I wanted them to be able to have a little bit of information on each of those. Any of them that aren't using them extensively already are going to want to do so. So again, each of the pictures is clickable to take you to their website, where you can learn more. Also, student response systems. We have clickers at Oakwood. Not every teacher has clickers, but a lot of them do. But with the bring your own device policy, there's also methods to use students' own mobile devices as response systems instead of clickers. These are two that are free that I wanted to highlight. There's also Poll Everywhere, which has a free option as well as a paid option. But Socrative and Infused Learning are both very good. And then a miscellaneous section. These are just a few web resources I wanted to get in there that I didn't have a specific category for. Instagrok is excellent. If you're unfamiliar with it, you're going to want to check it out. Then there's the BYOD, or Bring Your Own Device section. Again, the school district, College Station, is really pushing this the last couple years, and they're trying to expand their bandwidth to make it more feasible for every student to use their own devices. So I wanted to have a section that just gives some ideas. I did some research on different pilot programs, bring your own device programs that school districts have done, and some of the successful activities they've used for them. So these are just some ideas on how you can use devices in the classroom. Right now it's up to each teacher to allow their students to use them or not, and when to use them. So a lot of teachers are still reluctant to actually let them use them. The next section is a list of educational technology blogs. There's hundreds, if not thousands, of educational technology blogs out there. So I wanted to just list some really good ones that I found that I would like them to use to help keep up with technology. Obviously this web resource is time sensitive, so as the technology changes, this will become obsolete, but hopefully if they're staying current with these blogs, they'll be able to stay on top of things. This Technology Rocks Seriously is a blog by the College Station Instructional Technology Coordinator Shannon Long. It's kind of geared more toward younger grades than the intermediate level, but I put it on there because it's specific to College Station ISD. The last section is the Technology Lesson Plan Resources. I found some really good websites, some created by school districts like this one and this one, but I just wanted them to be able to have websites that are full of ideas on actual lesson plans to integrate technology. This is one by Microsoft, that actual lesson plans developed by Microsoft to implement Microsoft Office programs, which I thought was interesting. This Baltimore County Public Schools one is really good because it's got a search engine that has a lot of options. You can choose exact grade level subject and the actual technology standards you want to implement into that lesson plan, so I thought it was really good. So that's my website. it's you know, it can be updated and changed to keep it current, and obviously I would like to add some more training opportunities as they become available, but I think it's going to be a valuable resource to the teachers at Oakwood, and hope they use it. Thanks.